Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar drop 0.3% against the yen. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 4.2% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The gold dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair dove 4.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Some of the major banks in the world expect global economic growth to slow further in 2024, squeezed by elevated interest rates, higher energy prices, and a slowdown in the world's two largest economies. Solana has reached new yearly highs, gaining more than 17% after ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood lauded the network for its efficiency and cost-effectiveness. The dollar edged lower after US jobless claims rose more than expected last week, indicating a cooling labour market that could prompt the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates in early 2024 and engineer an economic soft landing.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's retail sales will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The US housing starts at 1330 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. The Eurozone's harmonized index of consumer prices at 1000 hours GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1800 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.